convertible time. Perfect timing with summer here. A little drop top at Unique Specialty and Classics. Here we have a 2001 Mazda Miata MX-5. Silver metallic in color. The tan or camel interior. I'd say brown top on it. We'll pop the top before we end this video. Start it up, let you hear it run, check out the interior. So we'll check that out here in a little bit. Now, first of all, miles on this one, 64,000, just a tad over, 64,353. Those are actual, confirmed by the Carfax, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Well taken care of adult-driven vehicle. 1.8 liter underneath the hood to be a 4-cylinder, dual overhead cam, 16-valve engine. And that is paired up with the optional automatic transmission in this car. So no shifting, don't worry about that. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the engine bay, underside of the car, interior, trunk. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And, of course, you can call us to 507-386-1726. If you're interested in this car, I would suggest calling as soon as possible. We have been selling quite a few of the later model to us cars. And summer's here. Market on a good, reliable, well taken care of convertible is going to be pretty high demand. And as you can see, the front nose cone, there's a few little imperfections here and there. I mean, the car has been driven. You don't be afraid to get in and drive this one. But overall, very nice shape. Appears to be original paint. And like I said, no accidents indicated on the Carfax. Now, this one does have the optional suspension package, which would include the 16-inch wheels, Torsen limited slip differential, strut tower brace up underneath the hood, stiffer springs, Bilstein shocks. That's about a $1,025 option back in '01 on this car. And you've seen down the passenger side, not full of nicks, dings, scratches. Again, it's an '01. It's been driven, so you're going to find a few little imperfections, but I'm being pretty fussy. Something like that right there. I mean, very minimal. Just like to point out some of the things I see so you get a fair shot of the car. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. A couple just little spots kind of in the paint. There's one little one right there. Maybe another smaller one if you can get it to show up. But as you can see, paint has a nice luster to it. Still in good condition. Still pictures, once again, take your time looking around this car and the still pictures underside at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there.
If you like this video, hit the red subscribe button down below to really help our channel out, and you'll stay up to date on all future videos.
Also nicely equipped car. You're going to have power mirrors. Does have a Bose stereo system with a CD player. Does have AC. AC blows cold. Power windows. Cruise. All the modern amenities. All right. Original door panels. Original Mazda Miata floor mats. And as you can see, the seats, a little bit of wear in the bolster. Some nice interior conditioner, leather conditioner would probably darken that up a little bit, but it's nice and supple. So it's still in nice shape. Just shows a little bit of age going in and out, nothing major. Gonna see that on something with this model year, I should say. Convertible boot cover fits nice. Windscreen's flipped up in the back, so it show you that that's there. All right, let's start this up. Let you hear it run, look at the exact miles. We'll take a look underneath the hood, and we'll check that top out. All right. Stereo works, wipers work, AC works again. And as you can see, no warning indicators on the dash, check engine lights, anything like that. Just the fact I don't have the seatbelt on. You have the seatbelt light lit up, all gauges working. There's your exact miles, 65,358. As you can see, dash in nice shape. Overall condition of this car, very nice. And once again, automatic transmission. Do not have to worry about shifting on this one. Slip around to the back. No exhaust modifications, anything like that. Nothing crazy, just how you'd expect the car to sound. All right, I'm gonna pause this a second, and let's get that hood open and check it out. Here was one little door ding or two I thought I'd point out. And that could probably be taken care of with a PDR or paintless dent removal. But this is a consignment car. We're representing it for the consignor the way it sits. So you can discuss that with a sales associate if you call in. Gonna pause this. Let's check out our hood.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Hood popped. As you can see, nice, clean, tidy engine bay. That strut tower brace that we mentioned earlier. 1.8 liter, 4-cylinder dual overhead cam, 16 valve engine. All right. Let's go ahead. I'm going to pause this one last time here, and let's go ahead and check out this top. I'm going to put the hood down and let's check out the convertible top. There we go. Just a little bit to put the top up, man. Maybe a minute, minute and a half, very easy. Boot fits over it nicely, comes on and off very easily. Top flips up, it's a manual top. One person can do it. Like I said, that probably took me about a minute and a half, if that. As you see, brown or camel colored top, very similar to the interior. Vinyl, I would say. Nice shape. It's going to do its job as far as keeping you out of the sun or keeping you dry. Does have rear defrost and a glass rear window, which is always nice with plastic ones on these cars. And again, going to do its job, what it's made to do. Free of rips, tears, holes, anything like that. There you go. You're looking for some summer fun. Drop top, 2001 Mazda Miata MX-5. And again, original miles, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated on the Carfax, confirms the miles. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. Call in a